Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to an epic battle of Crab, Lifeguard, Seagull. If you thought nothing could be more exciting than rock, paper, scissors, then you better hold on to your Hawaiian shirt because I'm about to rock your world. The rules are simple. Crab pinches Lifeguard. Lifeguard scares Seagull away, and the Seagull flies away with the crab. When I say go, guess who you think will win the round? To guess the crab, hold your hands up and make a pinching motion like crab claws. To guess the Lifeguard, flex your muscles like a big, strong lifeguard. Or to guess the Seagull, flap your arms like a flying seagull. If you beat or tie the winner on the screen, you're still in. But if what's on the screen beats you, then you can keep playing. But please take a seat. So, to recap, Crab beats Lifeguard. Lifeguard beats Seagull. Seagull beats Crab. Everybody got it? Great! Let's begin. 3, 2, 1, go! Do your motion now. Oh, looks like it's the Lifeguard. Lifeguard beats Seagull, so if you're flapping your arms like a seagull, please take a seat. Everybody else, get ready for the next round. 3, 2, 1, go! It's time to choose your motion. Ooh, this time we have a crab. Crab beats Lifeguard, so all of you macho lifeguards, please take a seat. Here comes round 3. 3, 2, 1, go! Do your motion now. It's another crab. Crab beats Lifeguard. Everybody else, get ready for round 4. 3, 2, 1, go. Make your choice now. Looks like we have our first Seagull. All crabs, please take a seat. It's time for round 5. 3, 2, 1, go! It's time to choose your motion. Ooh, looks like we have another crab. These crabs are everywhere. Here comes round 6. 3, 2, 1, go! Do your motion now. Ooh, it's a Lifeguard. That means it's time for all seagulls to take a seat. Now, it's time for round 7. 3, 2, 1, go! It's time to choose your motion. Oh, it's a seagull. Looks like all the crabs just got carried away. Everybody get ready. It's time for round 8, our final round. 3, 2, 1, go! Make your choice now! Ooh, it's another crab. If you stayed standing through all 8 rounds, you now have the official title of Crab, Lifeguard, Seagull, Grand Master. Very impressive. Thanks for playing, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day at the beach.